Hello viewers, welcome to Tech It Works educational channel. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe the channel and share it within your group so that we can add videos not only on SQL but we can add more topics like C, C++, Java, JavaScript and the other databases too like MySQL, Oracle, etc. Please subscribe the channel to let us add more videos on different topics which can be helpful not only for the students but also for the professionals too. So far in the SQL tutorial, we have seen database, how to create the database, how to create the table, and also the structure of the table, the data type, how to alter the data type, how to alter the column, how to add the new column, how to drop the column, how to add primary key, how to add foreign key, relationship between primary key and the foreign key, and so on. So today we'll be focusing on the select query with the where clause. So here is an example. We have three tables: student, student attendance and the student result. So in the where clause we'll be using equals to, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, between, and also we will see the order by clause. Okay, so let us take the example of the student table. Select star from student. Let us execute. So here we can see the number of records. The ID numbers are different: 101, 21011, 111. Okay, so I need the record of the student where ID number is 107. So what is the syntax? Select star from student where ID number equals to 107. So I am saying here equals to 107. Now I need the record not only 107 but the other three numbers like 107, 103, 101. So I will say, instead of equals to, I will say in, and I will put bracket, then 107 comma 101 comma 102. So this is the syntax. So if I execute this, so I will have the records which has only 107, 101 and 102 ID numbers. Now I will say I want the record excluding these numbers. So instead of in, I will add not in. Okay, so my query will say select star from student where ID number not in 107, 101 and 102. So it has excluded these numbers. So we have seen in and not in. So now we will focus on between. So let us take the example of student attendance. So in the student attendance, you can see student ID number and the attend date. Okay, so I need the record where attend date is between these dates 2011 to 2002-57. So this is the syntax where attend date between one date, okay, and the second date. Now switch on to other tables like select star from student result. Okay, so if I query this, I have the records of the student with the marks along with the result, whether they are pass or fail. Okay, so I need the record where student marks is greater than 80. So I will say select from student result where marks is greater than 80. But if I say greater than 80, then 80th number is not coming. So to have that 80 number also, I will say greater than equals to. So it will have 80 and more than 80. So if you see it, so we have 80 marks also and more than 80. So similarly, we will see less than. Okay, so the syntax is same: select star from student result where marks is less than 80. Okay, so if I query this, I will have the record less than 80 and not 80. So it will be like 79 and not 80. So include that 80. I have to again use equals to sign. So I will say select star from student result where marks less than or equals to 80. So if I execute this, you can see the marks are 80 also and less than 80. Okay, now if I execute the select from student table, okay, so I will have the records like this. So I need the order by clause. So I will say order by one desk. Okay, so ID number is number one. Okay, so it is in descending. Desk means descending. Okay, so I need the descending order for date of birth. Okay, so if I look at the table, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so sixth number is the date of birth. So I will say order by 6 descending. Okay, so let me query this, execute. So it is having 6 descending. Okay, but I don't want to use number 6, so instead of that I will use column name, that is date of birth. So if I use this, then my query is correct. Instead of using index number, I will use the column name. Okay, now instead of descending I need ascending, so simply I will remove that descending, put ascending. For ascending I have ASC. Okay, now in the other example, in the student result, I have the marks less than or equals to 80, but also I need filter on result where result is equals to pass. So I will write where once, okay, marks is less than equals to 80 and a result equals to pass. So if I query this, you can see the number of records reduced from 8 to 7. Okay, now instead of pass I need fail. Okay, so I will write fail here. So if I query this, let me execute. So I will have the result is less than 80 and also the result is fail. Okay, so instead of fail I will write pass. Okay, so this is the difference, like we can have multiple condition after where. So the syntax will be and, so where marks equals to 80 and result by pass. Also I can use order by clause after where conditions. I can use order by on marks ascending. Okay, so we have used multiple condition along with the order by clause, order by marks ascending. So this is it. This is the end of the video. We have seen so far equals to in, not in. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.